Mad Ramps offers a revolutionary pivoting ramp system for ATV and snowmobile loading, providing a faster, simpler, and safer way to load, unload, and transport your vehicles on a pickup truck. Kits include the off-road kit for those of you looking to take your adventures to the dirt, and snowmobile kits for cold weather adventurers. The Mad Ramp's advantage lies in its pivoting and tilting loading ramp system, designed to ensure secure loading and unloading of your machinery onto a truck bed. It can comfortably accommodate UTVs and side-by-sides, including golf carts, as well as snowmobiles, making it a superior alternative to using traditional loading ramps or towing a trailer. By doing away with the necessity of a trailer, which often poses storage challenges, limits travel options, and demands maintenance and licensing, Mad Ramps offers a hassle-free loading solution. Installation on your truck bed is straightforward, and loading your vehicle becomes as easy as driving onto the ramps. Mojipic is an innovative and interactive car accessory that brings a unique way of expressing oneself on the road. It is a smart emoji display designed to be attached to the rear window of a vehicle. The device features a grid of LED lights that can be customized to display various emojis, images, and animations. Using the companion smartphone app, users can easily select from a wide range of emojis, symbols, or even upload their own images to display on the Mojipic device. This allows drivers to convey messages, emotions, or simply add some fun and personality to their car while driving. Additionally, the device can display animations, turning it into a dynamic digital display that captures the attention of other drivers and pedestrians. Mojipic is also designed with safety in mind. The app includes preset phrases and symbols that are meant to be used safely while driving, avoiding any distractions. It can also be controlled through voice commands, reducing the need for drivers to interact with their phones while on the road. DumperDogg is a brand of innovative truck bed dump inserts designed to enhance the functionality of pickup trucks. These inserts are specifically engineered to transform standard pickup truck beds into efficient and versatile dump trucks, making them ideal for hauling and unloading various materials. The DumperDogg system features a durable and rugged steel construction, ensuring its ability to handle heavy loads and withstand challenging working conditions. The insert is seamlessly integrated into the truck bed, providing a secure and stable platform for carrying loads. Operating the DumperDogg is designed to be user-friendly. It typically includes an easy-to-use control panel or remote that allows the driver to hydraulically lift and tilt the bed to dump its contents effortlessly. This feature eliminates the need for manual labor and streamlines the unloading process, saving time and effort for the operator. With DumperDogg, truck owners and operators can conveniently transport and unload a wide range of materials, such as gravel, sand, dirt, debris, and more. The solar-powered electric retractable car umbrella is an innovative and effective solution designed to protect the interior of your car from the intense heat of the sun during hot summer days. This retractable sunscreen acts as a top barrier, keeping your car cool and comfortable, even when parked under direct sunlight. Using a remote, you can easily open or close the electric telescopic shed, providing a convenient way to block sun rays from entering through the front and rear windshields. By doing so, it prevents your car from turning into a sweltering greenhouse and significantly reduces the interior temperature. This not only makes your driving experience more comfortable, but also protects your car's dashboard and other plastic elements from the damaging effects of extreme heat. The retractable umbrella is compatible with most cars, from sedans to SUVs, with easy setup and installation. GoTreads are versatile traction boards designed for off-road vehicles. They provide reliable traction in challenging terrains such as mud, sand, snow, and ice. Made from durable materials, GoTreads are lightweight and portable, making them easy to carry in your vehicle and deploy whenever needed. Their universal design allows them to be used with various types of vehicles, ensuring their effectiveness in different scenarios. These recovery boards are user-friendly, requiring simple placement under the tires to create a stable surface for driving. GoTreads offer a safe and effective solution for self-recovery, reducing the need for external assistance in challenging situations. The Nestboard is a compact camping module designed for adventurous travelers. It comes with a stove, 2 cartridges, a water pouch, pump, sink, table, and various storage spaces, all cleverly integrated into an 18-centimeter high cabinet. This modular camping solution is versatile, fitting into both compact station wagons and larger vehicles, providing options for comfortable sleeping and ample storage. It has been meticulously designed, drawing from 8 years of camping development and practical experience. The standout feature of the Nestboard is its pull-out section, which includes the stove, water pouch, pump, sink, and chopping board. This section serves as both a work surface and a dining table, maximizing functionality within a limited space. Industrial slides ensure durability and strength, capable of holding up to 200 kilograms when fully extended. Additionally, the cabinet boasts configurable storage spaces and even includes installed board games for added entertainment. Black Sheep Innovations is taking concealment to the next level. Their rear light drawers are ingeniously designed to sit behind the taillights, providing extra storage space that seamlessly blends into the car's body. When closed, the drawers are almost invisible, ensuring a sleek and unobtrusive appearance. However, when opened, they reveal a long and relatively spacious storage area that can accommodate various items such as a minibar, camping and hunting gear, or valuables that need to be concealed from public view. This hidden space is ideal for securing essential documents and gear in potentially risky situations or crowded areas. Both drawers can be securely locked, ensuring safe transport. The rear lights operate as normal, functioning without requiring any modifications. The Dropracks elevating roof racks offer a revolutionary roof rack system that brings convenience and ease to loading and unloading gear on your car's roof. Unlike traditional racks, Dropracks lowers everything down to a comfortable and accessible height with a horizontal loading surface right by your car, making the process a breeze. This innovative system is designed for various applications, including kayaks, bikes, roof tents, and roof boxes. For kayaks and canoes, Dropracks allows for easy solo loading without straining your body or risking damage to the car. Similarly, lifting bikes onto the roof is made easier, and the racks can accommodate up to 4 bike carriers side by side. Key features of Dropracks include quick and easy loading and unloading from 3 sides, and rubber strips on top for added protection. The racks have a compact and closed design in driving position for a streamlined look, a durable black anodized aluminum finish, and have been designed and tested in Norway for harsh conditions. The automatic car cover is a cutting-edge and convenient solution designed to protect your car from various elements and environmental hazards. It features a solar rechargeable built-in 4,400 mAh battery with a quick 25-second covering or retracting operation, controlled automatically by a remote. The car cover comes in multiple sizes to fit different car sizes, accommodating sedans and SUVs. It offers full coverage, protecting your vehicle from scratches, sunlight, UV rays, acid rain, frost, ice and snow, tree sap, bird droppings, dust and grime. With a working temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, the car cover is suitable for various weather conditions and climates. The Vevor electric floor jack is an advanced and powerful automotive tool designed to make lifting vehicles quick, effortless, and safe. It combines the convenience of an electric motor with the functionality of a floor jack, offering an efficient solution for lifting cars, SUVs, and other light-duty vehicles. It is powered by a robust electric motor, eliminating the need for manual pumping. With a simple press of a button, the jack quickly raises the vehicle to the desired height, saving time and effort compared to traditional manual jacks. The alloy Gator rim protector is a cutting-edge and durable solution designed to safeguard your valuable alloy wheels from damage caused by curbs, road debris, and other hazards. It is a smart and practical accessory that enhances the appearance and longevity of your wheels while providing peace of mind during daily driving. The rim protector features a sleek and low-profile design that seamlessly blends with the wheel's appearance. It adds an elegant touch while protecting the rim's vulnerable edges from damage. The rim protector is available in different sizes, making it compatible with a wide range of wheel diameters and widths. This versatility ensures that it can be used on various vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Once installed, the alloy Gator rim protector requires minimal maintenance. It is designed to withstand the elements and daily wear without losing its protective capabilities or affecting the wheel's performance. The Trilight 7-in-1 car accessory is an automotive tool designed to enhance convenience and functionality during your journeys. It serves as a warning triangle, jump starter, power bank, working light, camp light, bike light, and SOS light all in one. The accessory includes 3 detachable magnetic light bars with individual control systems for some of its various applications. The Trilight and Trilight S have rotating handles that function as a light stand and a drop light. The Trilight Pro features a rotating handle with a strong built-in magnet, serving as a standing light, drop light, and hands-free light for various working conditions. The HUDWAY Glass is a heads-up display designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. It acts as a transparent screen that displays essential information from your smartphone onto your car's windshield. Compatible with both iOS and Android platforms, it offers real-time navigation assistance, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road while following turn-by-turn directions. The HUDWAY Glass works effectively during both daytime and nighttime driving, providing clear and readable information in various lighting conditions. Its customizable display layout allows personalization based on your preferences and driving needs. With easy installation and a compact, portable design, the HUDWAY Glass offers a seamless and safer way to access crucial information while driving. By reducing distractions and keeping vital data within your line of sight, it contributes to safer driving practices and enhances overall driving experience. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Future Tech Now. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next video.